Beside the climate is one of the most important point in tourism. In summertime there is very nice weather in Paris, France. There might be a reason for France to receive many tourists. I think some physical environment, especially Eiffel Tower, is the big attraction of tourists. I think most of the people who are visiting to France are Europeans. They can use the same currency in France as well, and as I mentioned above, it is not expensive to travel to France. I could be a reason why France is in third rank in generated income table. US continue to lead second in ranking of the world tourist visited member table in the term to arrival, and ranks first in received one hand. I think the reason for the second rank in visitor number table is generally United States is quite for from other countries, and it take hours and hours to reach the country. Some tourists feel uncomfortable to spend time in flying rather than they could travel a nearest destination. So I think traveling time could be a reason for second rank in visited number table. On the other hand, generally it is very expensive to travel to the United States. Auf Western means goodbye in German, and they were the last word I said to my father as I boarded my flight to Germany during the Thanksgiving weekend. While boarding the plane, many thoughts sugared through my brain, like why I am doing this and what will my trip be like. To reassure myself, I remembered the reason why I was taking this trip. The main reason was to experiences the world and all of its wonders, starting with the country I know most about, which is Germany. All I could think of while on the plane was my plane itinerary and what I did to get here. The idea of traveling to Germany during my Thanksgiving break came from my experiences learning about Germany history through my college courses. I revamped feeling I have had about Germany since my high school year, and I wondered what it would be like to travel there. From these feelings, the travel idea materialized in my head. However, before I could make a decision, I decided to do some research. I already knew that I was going to visit Munchi and Heidelberg because of their rich history and beautiful sensory. I also decided that I would be traveling out of O'Hare International Airport on a Friday because I knew the layout of that airport since I have traveled frequently with this airport, and my parents' house is approximately 2 hours away from the airport. While exploring Expedia with the specific information, I found a flight from Air Linus that cost